Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to manage your notebooks from the main page in NotebookLM. And regardless of which way you are viewing your notebooks, you can manage your notebooks from either tile view or list view. Just go to this little snowman menu right here, the three little dots, click on that. You can edit the title, or you can delete a notebook. If you're in list view, you can do the same thing, edit the title or delete it. At this point, that's all you can really do. You can share notebooks, but that'll be a subject for a different video. So if you want to edit the title of a notebook or just delete one because you're not using it anymore, or maybe it's not what you thought it would be, you can delete those from either view on the main page. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching Low Key PD.